in March 2026. As the conflict between the United States and Iran escalates, national security experts are raising serious alarms about potential threats within the U.S. homeland. Following more than 1,600 drone strikes against U.S. allies in the Middle East. In just 1 week, analysts warned that Iran now poses a multidimensional threat. This isn't just about traditional military moves. It involves physical security, cyber warfare, and the very information we consume online. Former counterterrorism officials describe this as an Ohan Sandek moment, where the vigilance of everyday citizens is just as important as government defense systems. Security contributors Sam Vinograd and Zacks, both former high-ranking officials, have detailed how Iran might operate on American soil. Beyond using known regional proxies, Iran has reportedly cultivated surrogate networks by hiring local criminals to carry out high-stakes operations like assassinations. A major trial currently underway in New York highlights this reality, involving an alleged plot by the Revolutionary Guard to target high-profile U.S. politicians, potentially including both President Trump and former President Biden. These surrogate tactics allow foreign actors to strike from within using individuals who are already legally present in the country. The strategic goal of these potential attacks is to force the U.S. onto the defensive while showcasing Iran's global reach. High-profile figures and critical infrastructure remain the primary targets for both physical and digital strikes, while the U.S. has spent over 20 years strengthening its defenses since 9/11. Experts argue that technology cannot catch everything. In the cyber realm, the threat is particularly subtle, as Iran targets the information we digest, using social media and digital platforms to spread propaganda or malware intended to cause domestic confusion and instability. To mitigate these risks, analysts are calling for a new level of digital and physical vigilance from the public. Digitally, this means being extremely cautious, thinking before you click on unknown links or download files, and being skeptical of viral information on social media that may be part of a foreign influence campaign. In the physical world, while people are encouraged to go about their daily lives, the importance of, if you see something, say something, has reached a critical peak. Law enforcement is working around the clock to track these threats, but they rely on an informed and alert public to act as the first line of defense.